Welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. My name is Kanella Ciraco and this is my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new and watching, if you like what you see, please feel free to hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. All right, so if you saw my last video, it was part one of a commission that I have for a client of mine. So today I'm working on part two. In the last video, I did Passion and Fire and my client just loved it. And today we are going to be doing the peaceful part of this three-piece series. And the next video is going to be my favorite and save the best for last, Dark and Stormy. So we are doing peaceful today. I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas, two of them. All right. And my base is not this. Hold on. I forgot to bring my bottle over. The same as last video. So my base paint is the Artist Loft Titanium White. That is my base paint that I'm going to be putting down. I have mixed it with water and Floetrol. I mix my paints, my colored paints with water and Floetrol. I mix them the same. And if you want to know how I mix my paints, you can check out video number 63. I will link it up here at the top for those of you who are new watching. So I am using the Artist Loft Titanium White, but I had an empty bottle here. And so as you can see, I've put Artist Loft Titanium White. So now I have a big bottle of it and not cups like you saw in the last video. So I made a big batch of it here in this bottle. So before I flood my canvas, I'm going to tell you the colors I'm using today. So we're going to start with Reflex Green by Amsterdam. Then we're going to use a touch of 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Then also a touch of Blue Black Indigo by Atelier. Then we have Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo, followed by Primary Yellow by Amsterdam. And at the end, topping it off, we have Phthalo Green by Amsterdam. Oh, I didn't even get my hair dryer. Oh, I'm so discombobulated today. What time is it? 3:30. 3:30 in the afternoon. I typically paint at night. All right, so I'm going to be using my flower hair dryer. Okay, I'm going to be using that tonight or this afternoon. It's not even nighttime. All right, so I'm going to put these back like so in the order I put them in. And now I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, I am ready to go. My canvases have been flooded. The bubbles have been popped. And I just realized I didn't come up with a composition idea for this piece. So in the last video, I went this way and then down this way. So in this piece, I'm going to reverse it. And then the last piece shall be interesting. I'll have to figure that out. Yeah. Let me think. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. All right, so let me at least get my first line down and figure out what on earth I'm doing. So I went this way with a wispy out that way. So now I'm going to go this way with a wispy this way. So like this. And that. And then from here, I'm going to go that way and this way. I don't remember what I did. I guess it doesn't really matter because they're all going to be different pieces anyway. But of course, I want this to match. So we shall go like that. And the wispy shall come down this way. I probably should have made this a higher line. I should have. Now it's too late. All right, well, let's see how this works out. All right, so I'm gonna get to the gold. I wanted to thank everybody for the birthday wishes. That was very kind of you all. Thank you very much. It was a great birthday. And what day is it today? Today is, well, you're watching this and it's, oh gosh, I don't even know when you guys are watching this. I'm kind of ahead of schedule here because I have to make sure that these paintings are off the table and my table is ready to go for my workshop on Saturday because I have a workshop happening. What is going on with my blue lately? What is this? My blue, black, indigo. All right. All right, let's go iridescent green, yellow. Wonder if I added enough blue. Seems to be sinking, but I do have the phthalo green coming up though as well. Now, last time I did that blue base, I put the yellow down at the very beginning and I lost a lot of the yellow. So I smartened up this time and I put the yellow near the top. So let's hope that makes a difference. And topping it off, phthalo green. It is a cold, rainy day today. Very fitting considering it's the first day of fall. So Mother Nature said, all right, I'm gonna rain on you today. And it's cold. All right, pop the bubbles. I really hope that blue is going to show through, but I'm not really sure now that I think about it. But we shall find out. So, okay, I'm going to start over here and try my best to blow as much of it into this part of the negative space because it's a pretty, I should have made the line higher. I kind of goofed on that, but I can work on that. I can fix it. So let's give it a go. All right, I just got my cord all in the paint. One moment, please. There we go. Okay, that worked out. I really like that. Now, as I was blowing, I'm like, oh wait, we're not matchy-matchy anymore. So that kind of bothers me. However, what I think is when this one dries, if I flip it around, because we have paint coming off the edge here and paint coming off the edge here, I can either turn this one around, because again, I have paint on both sides, or I turn this one around and this will now match this bottom corner. So that'll just have to be, well, my client can put it whichever way she wants. But yeah, if we move this down here, just turn it, it'll work, or turn this one and it'll work. So she can decide. So what I'm gonna do is, so there's a little bit of the blue in here. There's a streak here. A lot of it showed up over here. So we'll see. Let me see, what else am I looking at here? What do I want to fix? I want to blow, I think I want to get this down over the edge here, because if it gets flipped, that's all covered. So I want to flip this. There we go. Okay, so now that's going to go over the edge. And let's see what's going on over here. I think I'm going to leave that. I want to blow a little bit of this over. Okay, just so that I can add, you can't even see it, but I'm going to add some design on this side. That looks fine. This is looking fine. That's it. I'm not going to touch anything. I'm not going to torch anything. The neon or the reflex green here is so vibrant. I love it. And I'm not touching anything else. So I am going to fix my edges and I'll be right back. All right, everybody. I have fixed my sides. I've already scraped all my drips except for this one side because I wanted to show you guys who are new watching. Don't forget to take a stick and scrape those drips, okay? Super important. Go all the way around and come back 10 minutes later, do it again, and then a third time, and you should be good after that. All right, so let's see if I can get this whole thing in one shot. So there it is. Now, as I mentioned, I'm going to flip either this one, or my client can do whatever she likes, but I would flip this one around so that this corner and this corner are matching these corners, or you can flip this one around and that corner will now match this corner here. All right, so let's get a good close-up, shall we? Look how pretty it is. Now, I'm wondering if I should have added a little more blue in there, but the main thing was for it to be green, and I didn't want the blue to take over, so better safe than sorry. I really love the way it turned out. Let's move on over here. Now, there's definitely going to be shimmer in this, because we have the 24 karat gold and then also the iridescent green yellow by Pebeo. So I'm going to turn off the lights and turn the flash on and we will see what comes about. All right, so flash is on. And yeah, there's gonna be shimmer for sure. You can definitely see it in here with the gold. There's my sump pump going off. It is raining all day today, so that thing is going off every few minutes. All right, let's check out this one real quick. Definitely shimmer. So when this dries, it will get a top coat of crystal resin. And then when they all dry and they're all ready to go, I will show you all three of them together when it's done. Look at that cluster. That's so pretty right there. All right, let's turn the lights back on. So there you have it, everyone. I'd love to know what you guys think about this piece in the comments below. Don't forget, if you'd like information on the fluid art creative escape that Tammy Anderson and I are doing in Naples, Florida of July 2022, you can email us at fluidartescape@gmail.com for all the details and information. Everything you need to know is listed in the description below. There's discounts to a bunch of different companies and products. And I'd love it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe. And that's about it. If you like this piece and you want something similar, you can commission this piece. Not this piece, but commission a piece. This one's for my client, so it's not available. But I do take commissions. So that is it for now, everybody. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.